Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. I do appreciate it. I am all moved in with my mother, and I want to give you a room tour as well as my new workspace. Once you make it upstairs, on this side of the room, I have my stand that holds my essential oils, butters, jars, and inside here, more essential oils. And on each drawer, I have placed the labels letting me know what's inside of each drawer. And on top of the shelf, my alcohol, bubble wrap, my 2 pots to infuse my nettle and lavender tonic. There are more jars and containers. Jars to make my scalp and lavender tonic, my hair growth bottle containers, bottles. And on this shelf, my nettle hair mask jar, more scalp tonic. On this side, I have put up one of my posters that I take to market fairs. My shredder, and this is a nice love seat that sometimes I sit here and meditate and just relax. Another poster of mine that I take to market fairs, and as I turn around in my workspace, on this shelf I have my binders. Another container stand that I got from Walmart that holds my jars, some of my jars. And another stand here that I got from Amazon. And here is my postcard holder that holds my product cards. My large, beautiful Monstera plant. And some of my other plants. So walking into my room, I love this ledge. Here's another table. I have 2 tables in this room, and I take these to market fairs with me. Here is my top 3 notebook. I absolutely love this book. Here's my laptop, my printer. I clear everything off of this table when it's time to pack orders. My FlexiSpot table is in storage, so I really need to get that out because packing orders at this table really hurts my back. And moving more into my room, on this table here, I set up my Rollo printer, my electric stapler, and here is my bed. And on the side of my bed, I'm currently reading Tyler Perry, Higher is Waiting. It's a really good book. I have more of my plants on the side table here. Here's a monstera that broke off during the move, so I have put it in water and it's beginning to root. On this side of my room, another table that I've just set up all of my personal items. And on this side of the room, I made an area to record my videos. And there is a whiskey barrel with a nice comfy pillow on it that I can sit and record my videos. And then over here, I'm moving around in a full circle. So over here on this dresser, I have another 2 container bin with a lot of my tools that I need to pack my orders. More packing envelopes, and another drawer that I have utilized to put more work material in it. hope you enjoy this short room tour. Please subscribe to my channel because this coming Sunday, March 27th, I am going live at 6 p.m. So please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified that I am live this Sunday, going live this Sunday at 6 p.m. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Bye-bye.